Alrighty, hosses, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use breadcrumbs, and if we have time I also want to talk to you guys about alert boxes. And if you don't know what a breadcrumb is, let me just I'll click on that. I'll click on that either. Alright, so a breadcrumb is just a little indicator that says where the user is, and if you look at this is just a demonstration. So since we're looking at this file and it's inside CSS and that's inside Foundation, it's just a little path that the user knows this. So on your website you may have like account, profile, images or something like that. So we actually don't need that file, that was just a demo. So let's figure out how to create breadcrumbs in Foundation. So make an unordered list and set the class equal to breadcrumbs, and inside here just start making regular, I copy that from last tutorial since I don't have to type it again, regular list items with links in them. So I'll say like a forum, and let me copy this 2 more times. So you say that maybe you're on the forum, and what category are you under? Well, Java. And then if you're reading a certain topic, you'll be like a question about Java FX. So that's an example. And on this last one, on the page that they're currently on, you usually want to set the class to current, and this is going to style it a little bit differently. And this is from the last tutorial, so let me refresh it and check it out. So it says, okay, the main website section I'm at is forum, and then I hopped into the Java subsection, and now I'm reading a page with the title question about Java FX. And not only does it help visualize and understand the website's navigation, but it also gives a way that if they're like, okay, I want to go back to Java, or I want to go back to the main forum homepage, then they can do that really easily. So there you go, there's that. And actually a lot of people don't use breadcrumbs on their websites. I don't know why. I love them myself. So yeah, there you go. So getting kind of off track here, next thing is alert boxes. Now I might as well just stick them all in this one column. So an alert box is kind of like, I don't want to say a notification, but it's kind of like a little notification, I don't know another word to describe it besides alert, that lets the user know that something happened. So if you're filling out a form and maybe they forgot to fill out their email, you can put an alert that says, hey dude, you forgot your email. If you're making a game and they got a high score, make an alert, and I'll show you guys the different types of alerts you can have right now. So I'll show you guys a basic alert first so you guys know what the heck I'm talking about. So we're going to make a div, and inside it the first thing we're going to have is data alerts. Now we need this so JavaScript can handle it, because these alerts that pop up, the user is going to be able to close them out and make them disappear. So that's why we need some JavaScript functionality. And the class for this is alert box. Now inside here, let's just say that we're making some messaging system, and the text was, your message has been sent. So after the user sends a message, will pop up an alert. Why not? And for the link, we're going to make a link inside here, because this is going to have the class of close. In other words, it's going to be the X that whenever they press, it's going to close or make the alert disappear. So inside here, write ampersand times semicolon, and this is going to give you, that's just the HTML entities for that little X. So it's kind of hard to see right now, but if you hover over it, then you can see it X, and if you hit it, then it closes. And alright, so that freaking character auto-completed again, and I'll show you guys the different kinds of alerts that you can have. So the first one was basic, and that's just like the default blue color. The second one I want to show you guys is success, and in order to add new styling to your alerts, after the class alert box, type success, and I'll also show you guys this radius, and you can probably figure out what that does. And this is going to make your alert green. That's what, whenever you see success, it means green. So we'll say that we'll show this whenever the user got a new high score. And for this last one, we'll just say warning. Maybe the user is about to delete something. So we'll say, what would we warn the user about? Don't send your nude pics to your ex. Don't send nude pics to your ex. That's something that we would want to warn the user about. So for this, we'll just say alert. That's going to be the coloring and around. You guys are going to see in just a second what this does. So this was our default one, our basic one, and this is just a standard blue color. Then we added success, which gave it that green background, and also radius. I don't know if you guys can see this on YouTube, but the corners are slightly curved, a slight radius, and round means that the edges are really round, almost like perfect circular. So normal, success, warning, or excuse me, alert, and this is just basic, radius, and round. So that's the styling. So breadcrumbs, alerts, looking sweet. See you guys next video.